Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, find clock and tap on it. Then tap on alarm at the bottom left corner and click at the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour and select days of the week by clicking on them. Now click on alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. When you're done, you can scroll down and tap on the switchers next to alarm sound, vibrations or snooze to disable or enable them. Then click on alarm sound and tap on ringtone. Over here you can select one of the melodies as the alarm sound by clicking on it. Go back and swipe left or right to adjust alarm volume. Then go back again. Tap on vibration and select one of the patterns by clicking on it and going back. Lastly, tap on snooze. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. When you're done, go back and click on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!